If you run a website, you probably spend a lot of your time getting people to visit it. You might have an Instagram profile, paid search and Facebook ads, maybe even a weekly email. As a result, there are all these people showing up at your doorstep, ready to buy your product or service. The problem is, they might not be doing it. It's like you have all these people coming to your party, but somehow, even though the music's playing, nobody is dancing. So, how do you get these people to dance? Or to deconstruct my maybe terrible metaphor, how do you get them to not just show up at your site, but also to become your paying customers? This is where conversion rate optimization comes in. In this course, I'll show you how to make more money from the traffic you're already getting to your site with no need to find new pockets of customers or spend any more on advertising. Through a mix of marketing frameworks, exercises, live demos, and over 30 real-world examples, I'll show you how to turn eyeballs into clicks and clicks into paying customers and real revenue for your business. Whether you run a website that drives thousands or even millions of daily visitors, or, like me, a small online store, or maybe you're a freelancer for marketing or design, this course will add a shiny, valuable tool to your digital marketing toolkit. Why am I the right person to teach you this stuff? I guess I should introduce myself. My name is Rita Cedre, and I have over 10 years of experience helping brands connect with customers through content. I've held leadership roles in large and small media brands. I currently am at Qualtrics, where I run global integrated marketing for their fastest growing product line. I'm also a lead digital marketing instructor and distinguished faculty at General Assembly, and have been named one of the top 50 female marketers to follow by Search Engine Journal and HubSpot. I am so thrilled to be offering this course on Fiverr. As a small business owner and a freelancer myself, I highly value Fiverr's work in helping people like me and you find opportunities for connection and business growth. I hope you'll join me on this course as I teach you why conversion rate optimization is the best kept secret to driving revenue for your business.